What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. This is called Tea Time with me, Lady Let's. You all, today I'll be roasting peanut. I had this in the sun for 3 weeks. Dry, shaking, and so they are ready to be roasted. All right, so first what we're going to do, we will be moving them from the pod. All right, so that's what we'll be doing. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna what, some of them are too dry, I guess. I mean, they are big, fluffy, don't it? Okay, guys, so this is the amount that we got so far. We still have more here. Yes. All right, y'all, so this is the trash right here, and what we'll be doing, we'll be placing this in the garden compost. All right, so that's what we are going to do. And then here, this is what we got. This is the peanuts that we got. Going to move over to the next step, and that's where we'll be washing. So we're giving it a good wash. We're ready to roast, and the first thing that we'll be doing, we will be turning on the stove. Sure. It's flame. Then you're gonna add a little water in. Your pot, like so. And then you just add sugar or you add salt. But for me, I want it to be salty. And taste it just to see if that's in it. That's what you want in your peanut. Okay, so that is good. So you don't want it to be too. You don't want a lot of water in it. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, so it is ready now. So we go ahead and do have your nuts, your brown nut in. We're going to let it stir. Just want it to be all nice. So you start it off with high flame first. Make sure that all the juice, all the peanut, gets as much juice as possible, all of them. With the salt. This reminds me of peas. Like I'm cooking rice and peas. The peas that you put in your rice and peas. So whatever you want to season this up with, you can just go ahead and do it. Then if someone wants spicy peanuts, you gotta put pepper in it. Okay, so now you're going to turn down your stove. Just realize it's time now to roast now. So down to the low flame. Yes, less. Yeah, and you just go ahead. Make sure that's all the outside here. By the way, you all, this is my first time doing this, so yeah, we're learning together. So now it's roasting. And look that goodness. That juice is well in. Soak it up. So fluffy, guys. See how fluffy they are? By the way. So this one is coming on nicely. Do you think we're done? Do you think we're done? Oh, so we're supposed to smell an aroma. So we're waiting on that aroma. So we continue on. I'm hearing a little popping. So one of the things that I got to understand that they're not supposed to be on top of each other. So I guess I have too much in the pot. It's a lot I have in the pot. So I would have to just keep on, doing this. Sorry. And we're kind of like waiting for the aroma. And also I think you need to hear that popping sound also. Are you hearing that? Now it's feeling lighter. Now it's feeling lighter. What's going on over there? The aroma is in this house. It's getting really shelly. Like, you know what I mean? Crunchy, I should say. Yeah, really, really crunchy. So they are cooking. Cooking method is roasting. You hear that sound? Sounds really different now. So beautiful. So to test if they're almost already, what you can do, you can try one, just with caution, because it's very hot. If it's coming off, the peel is coming off. Seeing that? It's coming off. So it's coming up nicely, right? Should be able to remove it easily. I'm over here like heating this off right now. Let's see this one here. Right here, we don't want him to burn. Just want him to roast and look nice. The taste is it. It's ready? still want to be more crunchy. I don't know. Cinnamon coming on very nicely, as you may see. The peel, that red layer right there, as you see the shells coming off. Ooh, wait. And this is now ready. The aroma in this house is giving. It's an invitation to come and have peanuts. Yes, come and have your peanuts. It's all ready now, so it's time for us to serve it. So I have my whole peanut now. Oh, let us just make sure that the see so crunchy. And I see the peel coming off. Second peel. Coming off very nicely. You seen that, you all? Oh my God. Ready to eat. For me, I want my husband to plant peanut tomorrow again. So this was the reason why it was popping, because it was telling you that, hey, I'm ready now. I'm ready. Look at that. So beautiful. Still giving. God's glory to Evangelist Grant. Come and get yours.
Crunchy, salty, but not overbearing.
Wonderful. So it's good.
It's good.
For my first time doing it.
Chat, you hear that? Popping nut.
Not. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to roast peanuts at home. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more farm fresh taste. God bless you. See you in the next one.
And tough, one sip remind me God is enough.